Hi, I'm Casey Stern-Smith.
And I'm Tess Salter. Welcome to 802 Barneson.
Welcome to 802 Barneson in the Foothill Terrace neighborhood of San Mateo. In addition to the ideal open floor plan, this is the home for buyers seeking space, convenience, and excellent Baywood schools. Picturesquely situated on a tree-lined street is an expansive 3-bedroom, 1-story home. As you walk through the front gates, stop and smell the roses as you are welcomed to the enclosed front courtyard with a large grass lawn and spacious patio for grilling, socializing, and relaxing. Hello, California living. The formal foyer is the ideal entryway. The large living room to your right is highlighted in natural light with custom bookshelves and built-ins, Hunter Douglas shades, hardwood floors, recessed lighting, and a fireplace. To your left, enjoy the ideal layout for a family with the dining room, family room, and kitchen flowing to one another in the outdoor courtyard. The updated kitchen features white shaker cabinets, black granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, with the eat-in kitchen as well as a breakfast bar. Enjoy cooking and entertaining with your loved ones nearby. The 3 bedrooms are all spacious, with nicely sized closets and large windows overlooking the outside greenery. The 2 bedrooms share a bathroom with shower. The master bath features a walk-in shower and bathtub. The master is the oasis you have been waiting for, with double closets, your own private balcony, and access to the backyard. The backyard is a perfect place for a jacuzzi, garden beds, or kids' activity stations. This one-of-a-kind home is approximately 2,020 square feet, situated on a large lot, 6,500 square feet, with a 2-car attached garage and washer-dryer.
Experience the best of Foothill Terrace. This treasured neighborhood ranks among the most desirable on the Peninsula, with top local school assignments: Baywood Elementary, Burrell Middle, and Aragon High. Enjoy the quiet, charming tree-lined streets and enjoy San Mateo's big city amenities. Downtown San Mateo offers the best of accessibility with San Francisco standards. Movie theaters, restaurants, wine bars, and fitness studios line the street. Don't miss the amazing Central Park, a place where you can picnic or enjoy watching your kids play on the structure. Thinking of buying or selling? You have but one phone call. The Stern-Smith Group. Your realtor matters. Experience the difference.